Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain how to download brackets on your home computer. This is on a PC. If you have a Mac, the steps will be similar, but they'll still be different, so I posted links below if you want to follow a version of downloading brackets on a Mac. To start, click on the link below. That takes you to brackets.io. Now the button isn't too hidden to download it. It's right in the center of your screen. It's the blue button that says download brackets. At the time of this video, it says 1.14.1. So click download. If you're on Google Chrome like I am, it'll pop up in the bottom left of your browser. If not, don't worry. All you have to do once it's finished downloading is in the bottom left of your computer, click the File Explorer. Then go to your Downloads folder. Now brackets.release 1.14.1 should be here. I downloaded it twice because I messed up the first video. So if you don't see a 1 in parentheses, don't worry. You probably see this one. All you have to do is double click it to start the installation process. You can leave both of these checked, it does not matter, and just simply click next. And then install. Now an administrative screen will pop up asking if you want to click yes or no. Press yes, and then brackets will start to install. This could take a little bit depending on the speed of your computer. Once it's done downloading, you'll see brackets was successfully installed. Click finish to exit. All you have to do is click finish, and just like your school computer, type in brackets, click it, and it comes up, and now you can code on your home computer. This cannot be done on Chromebook. If you have a Chromebook, I'll figure out another way for you to code besides CodePen if you do not like code.